And of course, I would like to share with you that this is our first send-off at the Honda flagship shop for Honda Big Bike Dream Ride. Of course, atid sa inyo ng Honda Philippines Incorporated.
Thank you for joining our big bike ride to Angeles today. Despite your busy schedule, we're able to make it and have fun on riding going to Angeles City. We look forward na ma-enjoy nyo yung ating event and ride safe going to our destination.
I'm J-Mac and from Quezon City, and I am a local motovlogger here in the Philippines. CBR, the Fireblade, the Triple R. It's been a dream bike of mine to own a sports bike, and I am fortunate enough na Fireblade ang dumating sa buhay ko. And the ride today, it's been awesome. The weather is awesome. Yung mga tao na kasama, yung mga marshal, the staff, you guys are awesome. It's been an awesome ride. I've been to many group rides for different brands, and Honda's been on top.
Ako nga pala si Jomar Villegas, taga Angono, Rizal. Rebel ang pinili ko, unang-una dahil sa brand. Alam na natin pag Honda, may sinabi na sa market, very durable. Second, yung Honda Rebel is very fit siya sa height ng Asian. So napaka-komportable. Actually, para ka lang naglalaro eh. So wala siyang stress. Saka enjoy siya, lalo na sa long ride. Na-drive ko na siya sa La Union, Baler, Bicol, napaka-komportable. Yung activity natin ngayon, very organized, on time, very prepared yung mga marshal natin. From the start, na galing tayo Caloocan to the venue, it's safe, tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe, at yung venue natin, maganda, maraming pagkain at prices.
Ako po si Luzil Buenaflor from Santa Tomas, Batangas. Kaya CB650R yung napili ko kasi nandun yung comfort, power, tsaka iba yung dating eh kapag ka CB650R. Talagang maganda, classic yung datingan, sporty rin. Kumbaga, nandun na lahat. Tsaka inline 4, wala ka na ibang masasabi talaga. Tsaka, yun, kumbaga, tunog pa lang, tsaka power, the best. Kay Honda, thank you kasi you're giving us a very reliable bike. And classic, tsaka powerful, and lahat talaga ng hanapin mo sa bike, nasa Honda na talaga, and super astig.
Hi guys, I am Ray Nicolay Ifurong. I'm from Maybunga, Pasig. The Honda Rebel 500 bike that I drove earlier was very fast and reliable at the same time. And what I can say about the entire joyride that we had earlier today is that it was fun, and it's all about freedom and safety. And when I say freedom, it's like about the wind in your face, feeling the fun and relaxing experience with friends and sharing the same experience and like-minded people. So it was overall fun and exciting. Thank you, Honda, number one.
Pinaka-purpose po ng aming activity na to is to bring back yung pasasalamat doon sa pag-patronize nyo doon sa ating mga big bike. So asahan nyo po, marami pa tayong mga activities na gagawin, hindi lang po ito. Maraming salamat po, at sa pag-uwi natin mamaya, stay safe po, have a safe ride going home. Again, thank you very much.
I love Honda.
I love